It's something for creators who are already using or want to start using Notion and who are tired of going around different sites, different platforms to schedule all the content. It's very time consuming, it's exhausting when you are posting a lot. There are scheduling sites where you can do that, but usually they don't support all your platforms, and it's still not like you can write there. You need to copy paste everything you do in your writing app. And I have created an automation so that everything happens from Notion and you don't have to touch any other sites. So I have created 3 databases. This is adapted to one specific client. We have CTA library where you can quickly insert and organize your CTAs, and they can be automatically appended to your content if you want. Then the second database is for posting calendar. Here you add your desired posting schedule. Where do you want to post, on which days, which platforms, and it's color coded so you can see if it's enabled or disabled. If it's red, it means nothing is yet scheduled for this week, this day, this platform. You can also view next week so that you clearly know if you are covered. If it's all green, means you have enough content for 1 or 2 weeks ahead, or you may need to create some more if some are red. And you can quickly add more, just normal Notion stuff. You can move it around, update it, and so on. And the third one is the main one. It's kind of a Kanban board, a pipeline view of your content status. You can view it as a table with all your entries. You can filter it by platform or any other properties. But if you are in pipeline, you can use one of the status columns to trigger automation. You do your normal writing as people do in Notion. You can just write your content here, and you can select which platforms do you want this to be posted on. You can add some media if you want, and you can select CTA, as I said, automatically. You can select which specific calendar slot do you want to use, or if you leave it empty, it will select the next free spot. Yeah, basically you continue editing until it's done and you review it. And if it's done, you can have one or more, and then you just move them to approved, and this kicks in the automation. It may take a minute or a few, depending how much media you attach, but they are now in progress. And if everything passes, they automatically go to scheduled status with updated properties, what time was chosen, and with the link or just other properties. You see they all disappeared. Sometimes you may see an error. If something was wrong, you get a comment. What was the error if you chose some wrong thing or exceeded character limit, and so on. So basically you can see it all updated. It shows you which slot it took, some ID for reference, what specific time was chosen, and you can verify it in the actual app. So this is connected to Buffer and one other posting platform. And it should appear here. I think this is the one. You can verify or edit it if you want. The CTA was attached as I selected. Yeah, that's basically it. And this is another one for Substack, because these scheduling platforms usually don't support all social media platforms. There are just too many. And it should appear here. I don't remember if, no, I just selected X. So they appear here as well. Once you set up all your posting calendar and everything, you basically don't need to touch these scheduling apps. They are ready to be posted and they go automatically. And this is where we manage your content. There's an additional automation that monitors this column and then moves them automatically to posted with live link and everything, so that you can check how it looks. Basically, this can be extended indefinitely. fetching the engagement, repurposing, and plugging it in many other ways. So it's just a beginning.